So, you've probably seen tons of people on social media having academic comebacks and becoming academic weapons. In this video, I'm going to give you 6 simple steps so that this can also be you. Welcome to the ultimate guide to an academic comeback. Self-assessment and goal setting. You'll need to grab a pen and some paper. We're going to start by reflecting on how our academic journey has been so far. On the screen are some questions to help. Now we're going to rank our subjects from best performing to worst performing, like this for example. Now you'll be able to see your weaker subjects, and these are the ones we're going to prioritize. Then I'd like you to set 3 main goals to focus on. Creating a study plan/routine. To do this, you should use the 3 W's: what, where, and when. Seek help and resources. Find online resources to help you with your schoolwork. For example, if you're doing GCSEs, some great resources are Cognito, Maths Genie, and Physics and Maths Tutor. I would also recommend following YouTube channels and other useful social media accounts for advice and tips on studying. If you're struggling, don't be afraid to reach out to a friend or speak to your teacher if you feel comfortable. You can even reach out to me, send me a DM, leave a comment, and I will get back to you. Improve your study methods. I would 100% recommend you to find out your learning style, because this will impact the type of revision that will be most beneficial to you. For example, a visual learner might learn better with flashcards, posters and mind maps, whereas a social learner may learn better with friends and other people around. Manage your time effectively. I know this step is really difficult, but you do not want to spend all your time studying and revising. You should be able to manage your time and still stay engaged and do the things that you love to do. And last but not least, motivation. I personally think that you should prioritize discipline over motivation because it lasts for longer and motivation will not keep you going in the long run. So you need to find what kind of motivates you to keep on going even when the times get tough. Oh, and also don't forget to reward yourself. You deserve it. You work hard. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your academic comeback.